like Alan had mentioned, my name is Sharpan. I am the CEO and co-founder of Garage, and I'm going to show you about what Garage is up to today. I'm going to share my screen, so just let me know when my screen becomes visible.
Good. Yeah.
Great. So Garage, which is available at garage.app, is we've been working on it, me and my co-founder, for the last 3.5 years. And we've, by God's grace, we were able to go live with the product a couple weeks back. And the reaction that we've received from the market and the people that are coming on board at this early stage has been exceptional. And I think it's been really good. And I think it's setting up quite a remarkable opportunity because it's solving such a crucial problem for two very distinct audiences in a way that makes the platform itself better with every single person that comes on board. So what is that problem and what does the platform actually do? So Garage is a two-sided marketplace. I mean, a two-sided network. It connects every founder in the entire world, and a founder is just another name that we've given to a business. So it connects every business in the entire world to every affiliate that wants to promote their products and services. And it is an all-in-one solution to both of those parties. So any business can come onto Garage and realize value for themselves, for their employees, and most importantly, for attracting customers to their business. And any affiliate can come on board and make money from any of the companies that are on Garage. This is our goal, is to be able to build the largest two-sided network in history. To give you guys a little bit of context, the two-sided networks that you guys are very familiar with that have taken the world by storm have all operated under a similar premise. How can you solve a problem for two characters by giving them exceptional pieces of technology and bringing them together? And the action of bringing them together allows the entire platform to proliferate at the speed of light. And so the very famous examples of that have been Uber and Airbnb. But Facebook and Google have also been examples of that, where the two-sided network effect goes into full effect, and it becomes a self-fulfilling prophecy on the utility of the platform. So I'm going to show you today on what we give to founders, as well as what we give to affiliates in terms of the platform, and then show you how they can work together. So we'll start with founders because that's where this whole thing started. We wanted to empower businesses, any type of business, to be able to launch and operate and grow their business for as cheap as possible. So let me just repeat that. Our mission for business owners is any business in the entire world will be able to start and operate their business and grow it for as cheap as possible. And so we're going to try to cover all three of those points. How do we start this entire equation? So if you are a founder or business owner or a leader of a business, you can log into Garage and you are prompted to open up what we call an office. An office is one of these environments that allow you as a business owner to create this virtual environment that represents your business. Think about it like a living, breathing website where every single person in your company is present at all times. It's like a persistent network stream for your business. So you can see here some of the offices that I've joined are all on the left-hand side, as well as some that I've created, which is the one that I'm in right now. And we give all of these tools to the business owner to be able to manage both his internal team, which is consisting of his employees, his freelancers, and his vendors. But more importantly, we give him the tools to be able to sell his products and services to the maximum number of people. And all of this can happen within his website. And then Garage is doing this for hundreds and hopefully millions of businesses at the same time. Quickly, let's go through the value proposition that we allow businesses to offer to their team. So you can add anyone to into your office. You can add your employees, they can log in. You can add your customers and affiliates, they can log in. For your employees, you want to give them an environment where you can communicate and manage what they're doing. And businesses and leaders, so businesses are people that run a business, leaders are people that are promoting another business, and affiliates are people that are promoting kind of all businesses. If you're a business owner, you're used to paying for software. Remember, one of my goals is to cut the cost of starting and of running a business. And with the help of AI and the proliferation of software tools, we've been able to package every software tool a business will need into this one environment and give it to a business owner for 10% of the net cost that he would be paying right now. So just to give you some idea of how many tools we give, I've created a comparative analysis here, where on the left-hand side, you can see every feature that is offered in the office between the founder of the office, meaning the owner of the business, and their employees or their members. And I showed you here what company they're currently paying to be able to enable that. So, for example, we give the ability for a business owner to be able to chat with everyone in their company, to be able to do conference calls, time tracking, community management, social feed management, live streams, course sales, one-on-one calls, I'm sorry, a digital product sales, the ability to give a wallet and automate commissions, to give email servers, file storage, calendar management, CRM, project management. The list goes on. It's literally 21 softwares that they're paying for right now. And the costs are right here for each one. And if you add them up, the total cost per user for a business is $971, which means if I'm a business owner or if I'm a team leader outside of Garage, I could be paying up to $971 per person in my organization. So if I had 10 people in my organization, that's 9,700 and one sorry, $9,710 paid to these technology companies. Our goal, cut this whole thing out. Give every single tool to the founders to be able to give to their team and give it within one terribly cheap price. And it does not matter inside of Garage how many people you're using it. If you have 10 employees, 50 employees, 100 people in your company, 500 affiliates, it doesn't matter. It's just one price and given to you to be able to manage here. So in another call, we will be able to go into detail. Sorry, I have two of these pages open. You can actually see directly in Garage how you can message people. So you have your chats, how you can do group chats, global chats means communicate between offices, how you could do one-on-one calls with people in your office, how you can do conference calls with people in your office, how you can schedule meetings with a fully functional calendar that stretches across all of the people in your company, how you can give everyone in your business their own email server so you don't have to pay Google and Microsoft, how you can share files. And these are just some of the tools that we're talking about that companies are paying so much for, or if you guys might be paying for them as well, that we give completely for free when you buy an office. And we streamline and automate how a company manages their team. Now, once their team is set up and once they get into the groove of being able to run their business in Garage, the next big question is, how do I get customers?
That was
They'll say,
so bad.
Sharpan, how
Oh
do I
my
make money?
gosh.
Mm, yeah. So they'll say, how can I make money as a business? Well, of course, the goal of every business is to sell their products and services. The problem is most businesses are really bad at selling their products and services. Nobody knows that most businesses exist. If you guys come from the affiliate marketing or MLM world, you may think that most companies have these big armies of people that help them promote their product. That is far from the truth. 99.9% of businesses in the world are not affiliate marketing companies, and 99.9% of the business in the world have nobody promoting their products. And so we wanted to change that as the next part of Garage. And so the first thing we have to help a business do once he has his team set up is publish all of his products and services so everyone can see them and essentially become the catalog for any company to be able to discover, or sorry, for any company to be able to publish their offers. We've created 8 systems through which a company can sell and market their products and services. We don't care what your products and services are. We don't care what type of businesses it is, but we think within these 8 structures, you can sell anything. What are these 8 structures? The first thing, communities. As a business owner, you can publish, I'm just switching back between offices. As a business owner, you can publish any number of free or paid communities that you can attract people to. And each community that you create comes with its own isolated social media feed where you can publish content and get people to know about what you're doing and also provide free value or paid value and have people interact with each other. And so the first thing that you can sell is a community that is kind of a precursor to whatever product and service you're selling. The second thing you can do, which is actually going live on Monday, is live streaming. So live streaming could be a webinar or a workshop like we're doing now, where as a business owner, you can explain what it is that you're selling, or the live stream itself could be the product. If you're like a trader that's teaching people how to trade or something like that, you can create unlimited live streams or workshops here. You can charge for them or you can give them for free and you can publish them in your office, just like I've done for this one, for everyone to see. And so you don't have to pay for Webinar Jam or Webinar Ninja. All of that's baked into here. And for those of you that were on this morning's call, you know that this is not just a normal live streaming product. This is like a live streaming I don't know, live streaming Ultron, a live streaming fully functional set that allows you to unlock the full power of live selling. So first thing is selling community sell. Second thing is you can publish and sell live streams or give them for free. The third thing is you can teach people about your product using the courses or learn section. So you can either create a course that you want to sell, or you can create a free course about how people can use your product or training people how to use your product. So that's kind of like all the recorded content. If you are a business that sells time, which means you charge for every hour of your time, this is like a lawyer or a medical professional or somebody that's a consultant, you can come
Just hold on to that.
yeah, you can come to Garage. I mean, you can come to one-on-one calls and you can pre-program sales of your time where you're saying each hour of this time is worth $100. You can buy a certain amount of hours and you can interact with me or whoever the owner of the business is.
You
And
see whatever you want.
sorry,
It's you.
sorry, who is
If
that?
you if you want to, you can reach it.
Can you
Okay.
guys mute
Ryan
yourself?
Miller McCall, sure,
Yeah,
man.
I think I muted them. Yeah, sorry about that, guys. So, yeah, coming back to we covered one-on-one calls. And then if you're a software company, you can publish digital products. Digital products are access to another software or a file or access to a subscription where you can sell anything that's delivered digitally. And if you're a service company, such as a marketing agency or a law firm or a software development company, you can come and publish all of your services along with all the details about what they're going to get and the breakdown of how you deliver those services and the payments associated with that. In addition to the six that I just named, within the next 30 days, we'll be rolling out a completely new e-commerce system. So if you're selling physical products online, you'll be able to sell them directly in Garage, as well as a third-party application integration. So if you're an app developer that's built an app that you're already working on or that you're promoting, you'll be able to integrate that and sell it in Garage as well. I just named 8 offer structures that encapsulates any business anywhere in the world. Communities, live streams, learning, one-on-one calls, digital products, services, and soon to be e-commerce and third-party apps. Within these 8 offer structures, you can give them for free or you can charge for any of them. You can connect them to each other so people have like a funnel, or you can sell them independently. And you don't have to worry about working with payment gateways or the compliance around that. All of that we take care of and it's already baked in. You can sign up and get ready to earn money as a business owner. And as soon as you publish your products in your office, not only are they discoverable in your office, but they're also discoverable in the Garage search engine, which is available at garage.app, where you can you can see all the products and services from every business, and anyone can discover how much they cost and what they're going to get if they buy those products. Okay. So now the business owner, what we've given to a business owner so far is his own office, his own environment to manage his team, all the software tools that he used to pay for, an ability to publish all of his offers and sell them. But we're still missing one enormous thing as a business owner. How do I get people to discover my products and services? So, in order for us to be able to do this, we're undertaking an enormous problem. And I really want you guys, if there's one thing you take away from this presentation, it might be this. When we're said and done with Garage, we will be successful if we can go to every non-affiliate marketing company in the world, non-MLM, non-affiliate marketing company, which is 99.9% of the companies, and convert them all to affiliate marketing companies. That is the biggest opportunity that we currently face, is that there are millions, tens of millions, if not hundreds of millions of businesses that have never even attempted to use affiliate marketing or network marketing, maybe because it's complicated, maybe because they've never had the software, or maybe because they've never had the distribution. Garage solves all of that. So the way that we help businesses find customers is by telling the businesses, hey, for everything you're trying to sell, we don't care if it's a community, a live stream, a call, a service, a product, you have to add a commission. You have to turn your offer into a financial opportunity for someone else. And how do they do that? Well, we've given them the system to do that. Whenever a business owner adds a product or service, let's say I'm adding a product right here, and let's say my product is called Alan's favorite product, okay? And it does something. And now I'm going to go to pricing and I'm going to say, okay, anyone that wants to buy this product, it's going to cost $100. So I put in the $100. I can make it reoccurring or one time, that's fine, but I'll make it $100. And now, right before I publish this product, a little pop-up comes at the bottom that says, do you want to pay an affiliate commission? This is not just for products, it's for everything, even webinars, even communities. And if I say, yes, I want to pay an affiliate commission, it pulls up a multi-level dynamic comp plan creator, where as the owner of this business, I can literally select how many levels I want to pay and how much I want to pay them. Within a couple of clicks, I can equip every one of my offers in my business with a dynamic comp plan, which we're programming into the payment gateway. And then I can publish my product. So now, when some of you or anyone in the whole world sees my product, they're not just seeing how much it costs, they're also seeing how much they can earn. And now you can imagine thousands, if not millions of companies selling hundreds of products each with an affiliate plan attached to it, because we have been giving them the software to be able to program that directly into the payment gateway, and they don't have to worry about paying commissions, and they don't have to worry about attracting affiliates. They just got to agree to pay the commissions. Everything else is handled for them. And now the founder's job is done. Remember, I said at the beginning, we are the two-sided network connecting all the founders in the world, all the businesses, with every affiliate on planet Earth. And we have created a unique solution for both founders and affiliates. Well, right now, everything I explained to you is all about founders. So let me just recap that before I go into affiliates. So for founders, come make an office. It takes 3 minutes. Launch your brand, launch your product. Or if you're a leader, launch someone else's brand, launch someone else's product, but we could talk about that later. Come, you can add your team. You can give your team full access to your office so that they can benefit from all the tools that you are accustomed to paying to, that you can organize your team and let them work with all these great tools, and you don't have to, and they don't have to pay, and you don't have to pay per user, you just have to pay once per office. Then publish all of your offers and use all 8 of the funnel tools to be able to publish your offers free and paid. And program into all of your sellable items or all of your offers the commission structure that you want to pay if somebody helps you bring a lead. And your job is done. As a founder, your job is now done. So the founder has done everything he needs to do. And if we only get founders, that's still a pretty successful endeavor. We can become the biggest catalog of businesses and all the products and services they sell. But that's only half the equation. Founders need distribution. Distribution comes from affiliates. And what do affiliates need? This is a really interesting question. Well, they don't need all the things that I just said about founders. The affiliate has a different problem. And I think, first of all, I've never even heard anyone articulate this problem in the history of affiliate marketing. And definitely, I don't think anyone is in a position to solve it. So let me just start by explaining what the problem is. So from the beginning of affiliate marketing or network marketing or whatever you want to call it, until Garage, this is how affiliate marketing worked. There's a company, they want to sell a product. Let's say it's Nike. I mean, Nike's not a network marketing company, so it's an easy choice. So Nike wants to sell shoes. And let's say I'm the affiliate, and maybe I believe I can promote those shoes. So I go to Nike, or Nike comes to me and says, "Hey, I want to promote your shoes. If I bring you a customer, will you give me commissions?" They say, "Sure, we'll give you commissions if you bring us a customer." I'm like, "Great." So then I take their marketing material, could be digital or could be offline, usually digital, and I take it to my network. My network could be my friends, my family, my social media, my I can run ads, basically my audience. And I say to everyone in my audience, "Hey, I'm working with Nike, and if you guys are interested in shoes, they got some great offers." Whoever is interested in shoes, so let's say out of 100 people I know, 10% of them might be looking for shoes at that time. That 10% may click on that link or react to my engagement, and they may go to Nike or their website, and if they like the products, they may buy them. And if they buy them, I get paid. And that's how every affiliate marketing company, network marketing company works. And it's fine. It's worked until now. But if you sit back and think about it like we did, there's three fundamental issues with that model. The first one is that you have to pre-select a company. There's so many problems with that. Like I used one of the best companies in the world in the case of Nike, but most people are not promoting products at that quality, right? Like when you're working with an affiliate marketing company, you actually are depending on the company way too much. So you're sending all of your leads to them. You don't know if their product is actually as good as as they say. You don't know if they're going to be able to deliver. You don't know if it's actually price competitive. So you're overly dependent on the company, and the company is really not overly dependent on you. That's one flaw. Number two, if you want to move your business, so you want to stop working with Nike and now you want to go work with Adidas, in the case of that example, you have to start from scratch. All the people you brought to Nike are going to stay with Nike, or they're not going to stay, or they're just going to leave. You're going to have to go to whenever you go to a new company, you're starting from zero. And if you guys are familiar with affiliate marketing, and or if you've been in multiple companies, you know how that feels. It's not cool. The third problem with the current model is that it does not allow me to actually monetize everyone in my audience. Because I'm only selling one product or two products or three products, if I know 100 people, I'm only able to target a percentage of those people because only a percentage of those people are even needing those products at any given point. So because I'm working in a single relationship environment, I have to miss out on most people in my audience. But so how do you solve all these things? I think again, Garage is positioned in a unique way to solve them, and that is what we offer to affiliates. With Garage, because we're aggregating every company and converting them to an affiliate marketing program, we have the ability for an affiliate to refer people not to a company, but to their network in Garage. So if you sign up for Garage as an affiliate, you can join any company on Garage, but you're growing one network. Literally, it's built into the name, one network. And your one network is every single person who you've referred to any business in Garage. So you can use your affiliate link. Oh, sorry. You can use your affiliate link in Office A. You can use your affiliate link in Office B. You can send an affiliate link to Office. It doesn't matter. Whatever you think people will be interested in, you can use your affiliate link, and it's all growing your one network. And what's remarkable about this is if I invite Martin to company A and he doesn't like the products in company A, he can jump into company B, who I have no relationship with. He can buy products from them and I still get paid. So we're talking about the first multi-company affiliate marketing opportunity. Anybody in my downline that buys any product from any company on Garage, and remember, the number of companies on Garage only increase. So somebody can buy a product 5 years from now from a company that signs up 4 years from now for a guy that I signed up yesterday, and I would still get paid. It's the most encompassing way to be able to get paid from any business. So this flips the script for an affiliate. Now an affiliate comes to Garage. He doesn't have to worry about promoting one company. He just has to build his network, his one network, and people and his downline can decide which company they want to resonate with, buy from, promote. And it doesn't matter to him because he's still going to make money. So To affiliates, we're giving this liberating opportunity to be a multi-company affiliate, but only build their network once, never have to rebuild, never have to chase after a company, guarantee the commissions because we are the merchant of record for the commissions. And so that's because of that great leverage, we're able to sign up affiliates at a rapid pace. And that fulfills our two-sided network. So as I started by saying, we wanted to build, or we are building, the biggest two-sided network of all time. And that says a lot because you saw some of some of the other ones I named are on the scale of Google and Facebook, Uber and Airbnb. But I think ours will be bigger because we have the ability to go and get every business on planet Earth, connect them to every affiliate on planet. When I say affiliate, I don't even mean talented people like you guys that know what you're doing. I mean any human that just wants to make extra money from being able to leverage any product or service. And this becomes a two-sided cycle. The more affiliates we get on board, and we're onboarding about 25 affiliates per day now, with about 3 to 4 companies per day. And so more affiliates come on board, the more companies come on board. The more companies come on board, the more opportunities for affiliates to make money by selling different and cool products are. And the more money they make, the more affiliates come on board. And this just becomes a virtuous flywheel. And so that's Garage at the macro level. There's obviously so much more, but because I want to save your time and keep this succinct as much as I could, I will leave you with that and I'll toss it back to Alan. But there's so much more, especially what's happening in the next week with the launch of our webinar product and the launch of Network Chains and the launch of our AI office. These are all things I didn't cover today, but if you do have any questions, if not, I'll just say some more announcements and we could wrap up. Monday morning Eastern Standard. Every day we do 2 corporate opportunity webinars, 11 a.m. Eastern and 8 p.m. Eastern, except Sunday. But we're also canceling tomorrows. We're not doing any tomorrow, which is Saturday, because on Monday, we are starting to do them inside of Garage. We'll be using Garage's webinar software, which means if you invite somebody to that webinar, and I'll show you how to get your link to the webinar, you are signing that person up under you automatically. I can't stress enough how crazy of a feature that is. Alan also talked about it. I demoed it this morning to some of the leaders. I'll share that with you. So we're preparing for Monday. After that, it'll be every day, 11 a.m. Eastern, 8 p.m. Eastern. No more Zoom, hopefully. I mean, if something goes wrong on Monday, we may use Zoom for a little bit, but I think everything will be fine. It'll be done in Garage, and that will be exceptionally viral. With addition to that, next week, we're also rolling out an AI product for affiliates called Network Chains, which we didn't cover today. And we'll be also rolling out the first version of AI employees for founders. And these are enormous income opportunities and enormous kind of technological changes that we're bringing. So they will have huge impact on you guys. But I thank you so much for following along in this presentation and understanding what we're up to. And yeah, if you get Garage, you can see we're at you're at affiliate number 435. So this is how it felt to be user for number 435 in Facebook. And so just imagine what that would feel like and what type of impact that we can have. So I'm excited to work with all of you. Grateful for your time. Thank you for spending your Friday night with us. That means so much.
You know that Facebook went to 3 billion, right?
Exactly. I mean, it's a staggering. So one more thing is we'll be sending
so little.
We'll be sending all the recordings. I've done so many calls and so many trainings over the last couple of days. I'll be uploading all of them to YouTube and I'll be sharing them if you guys missed any. If not, Monday morning, 11 a.m. Eastern, Monday night, 8 p.m. Eastern, using Garage for the first time as the call software. It's, this is going to be a legendary week. So thank you for your time, and we'll speak to all of you individually in the chat. Thank you so much, guys. Bye-bye.
Great call, guys.
Thank you.